Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing how to disable remote desktop access connection in Windows 10, meaning that you will not allow other people to remotely connect to your desktop. So this is going to be pretty straightforward. I just made a tutorial about how to enable this feature, but in this tutorial I'll be showing how to turn it off. So very straightforward here. We're going to start by heading over to the Start menu. And once we click on that, on the Start button, and then we're on the menu, we're going to left click on the little gear icon on the left side here. It should say Settings if you hover over it. On the Windows Settings window, you want to left click on Update and Security tile right here. Near the bottom of this list, you want to left click on the For Developers section on the left side. And now using the scroller, you want to scroll down on the right until you get to Remote Desktop section. And then where it says Change Settings to allow remote connections to this computer, left click on this little checkbox if it's currently checkmarked to disable it. You know it's disabled if it's just an empty box here. Once you've saved your change, you want to left click on Apply to save our changes. And then if we left click on Show Settings right here just to make sure our settings were changed, you could also uncheck Allow Remote Assistance Connections to this computer, and then click on Apply and OK. And that should pretty much be it, guys. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.